Passive income, often hailed as the holy grail of financial freedom, involves earning money with minimal effort and active involvement. This revenue stream allows individuals to make money while they sleep, travel, or pursue other interests. It is essential to understand that passive income requires initial investment or hard work up front before reaping long-term rewards. Whether through rental properties, dividend stocks, online businesses, or royalties from creative work, passive income offers a pathway to build wealth steadily over time. Moreover, the beauty of passive income lies in its ability to create multiple streams of revenue that can provide financial stability and security. Diversifying passive income sources can mitigate risks and increase overall earnings potential. With today's digital age and technological advancements, opportunities for generating passive income have expanded significantly, from affiliate marketing programs to creating digital products like ebooks or online courses. Embracing the concept of passive income entails cultivating a mindset shift towards building systems that work for you instead of being tethered solely to trading time for money. Types of passive income streams. Passive income streams come in diverse forms, offering financial freedom and flexibility to those seeking to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Real estate investments stand out as a prime example, where rental properties generate ongoing income with minimal effort required from the owner. Peer-to-peer lending platforms provide another avenue for passive income, allowing individuals to earn interest on funds lent to borrowers without active involvement in the lending process. Moreover, creating and selling digital products can be a lucrative source of passive income. Ebooks, online courses, or software programs can generate revenue long after the initial investment of time and resources. Affiliate marketing is yet another popular option, enabling individuals to earn commissions by promoting products or services through their online platforms. Diversifying passive income streams not only enhances financial stability but also opens up opportunities for exponential growth and wealth accumulation over time. Setting up passive income sources. Setting up passive income sources is like planting seeds that continue to bear fruit long after you've sowed them. One effective way to generate passive income is through rental properties, acquiring real estate that you can rent out for a steady stream of revenue. Another option is investing in dividend-paying stocks, allowing you to earn money on your investments without actively managing them. Creating digital products like online courses or ebooks also offers a great opportunity to earn passive income by leveraging your expertise and reaching a wider audience. Passive income isn't just about making money while you sleep. It's about creating financial freedom and flexibility. By diversifying your sources of passive income, you can build a stable financial future and reduce dependence on traditional employment. Additionally, automating processes and utilizing technology can help increase efficiency in managing your passive income streams, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your life while still earning money consistently. Embracing the mindset of continuously seeking new opportunities and optimizing existing ones is key to setting up successful passive income sources that truly work for you. Benefits of passive income. One of the most enticing benefits of passive income is that it allows you to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 work model and opens up avenues for financial independence. By generating income even while you sleep or lounge on a beach, passive income provides a sense of freedom and flexibility that most traditional jobs lack. Moreover, having multiple streams of passive income can act as a safety net during times of economic uncertainty, giving you peace of mind knowing that money will continue to flow in regardless of market fluctuations. Furthermore, building passive income streams can lead to exponential growth over time. As your initial investments start generating returns and you reinvest those profits back into your passive income activities, the snowball effect comes into play, creating a cycle where your wealth grows exponentially without requiring constant active involvement. This compounding effect not only accelerates your wealth accumulation but also allows for a more relaxed lifestyle as you reap the rewards of smart investment decisions made earlier on. Overcoming common challenges. One of the most common challenges people face when trying to create passive income streams is the fear of failure. It's easy to get discouraged if your first attempt doesn't yield the results you hoped for, but persistence is key. Instead of giving up after initial setbacks, take them as valuable lessons and use them to refine your approach. Another challenge many encounter is finding the right balance between risk and reward. While it's important to take calculated risks in order to achieve financial success, it's equally crucial not to expose yourself to unnecessary dangers. By doing thorough research and seeking advice from experienced investors, you can navigate this challenge more effectively and make informed decisions that will benefit your wealth-building journey in the long run. Embracing financial freedom. In conclusion, embracing financial freedom is not just about achieving a certain income level or accumulating wealth, it's also about changing your mindset towards money and taking control of your financial future. By actively seeking out passive income streams, you are essentially creating multiple avenues for money to flow into your life without being tied down by the constraints of traditional employment. This newfound freedom allows you to focus on what truly matters to you, whether it's spending more time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies or passions, or simply enjoying life without the constant worry of financial instability. Furthermore, by diversifying your sources of income and building a strong financial foundation through passive income streams, you are not only securing your present but also investing in a more stable and prosperous future. It's important to recognize that achieving financial freedom is a journey rather than a destination. It requires consistent effort, resilience in the face of challenges, and a willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. Ultimately, by embracing the concept of financial freedom and actively working towards it through passive income generation, you open up new possibilities for personal growth, fulfillment, and lasting prosperity.